Hey foodies, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my Gadget Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make barbecue chicken legs, and I'll be using my 8-quart Ninja Foodi. First, we're going to start by using a butter knife to separate the skin from the chicken. I'm not removing the skin, I'm just lifting it up so I can get seasonings under there. Next, it's time to season up the chicken legs. I'm keeping it simple. I'm just using some garlic salt, some freshly ground black pepper, and some brown sugar bourbon seasoning. And here I am just pressing the seasonings into the chicken. Next, I'm adding in 1 cup of water to my Ninja insert, followed by about a tablespoon of liquid smoke. I'm adding the air fryer basket. I'm spraying it with some coconut oil so the chicken doesn't stick. And I'm going to cook the chicken legs in 2 layers. So I have 1 row down, and now I'm inserting the rack. I sprayed that as well. And now I'm going to put on the pressure cooker lid, set it to seal, cook on high pressure for 15 minutes, followed by a quick release. Here's what the chicken looks like when it's done pressure cooking. Next, I'm just going to remove the chicken from the Foodi insert because I'm going to be brushing the chicken with barbecue sauce and broiling it, and I want to do this in 2 batches. So here's the first batch. I'm just going to spread some Sweet Baby Ray's on one side of the chicken, and then I'm going to close the Ninja using the air crisp lid, set it to broil for 10 minutes. After 5 minutes, this is what the chicken looks like. So I'm just going to turn it over and brush the other side with barbecue sauce and let it finish cooking the last 5 minutes. And here is the finished barbecue chicken legs. Yummy! Now I'm just going to repeat those steps with the second batch of chicken. And now it's time to plate it up and serve it up. And yes, these tasted as good as they looked. Oh my goodness. I do hope you give this recipe a try because it's so easy and it's so yummy. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you plan on giving this recipe a try, go down to the comments and let me know. And if you're here and you haven't yet subscribed, first of all, why not? I know you like me and my recipes. So go ahead and click that button and tap that bell so you know when I upload again. And as always, thanks so much for watching. And remember, get out of that drive-thru and get into the kitchen. Bye!